Hello, my name is Pablo. In this video, I'll be showing you how to manage your router for the first time using your PC. So you can also manage your router using your mobile phone, but for some router, especially this one in this video, before you manage this router using your mobile phone, you firstly have to turn on the Wi-Fi, and you should be connected to the Wi-Fi using your phone. But before you turn on the Wi-Fi on this router, you firstly have to configure it on your PC. So I'm just going to turn it on, and you can see here only the power light is blinking, and then the wireless light is off, internet off, and Ethernet also off. So I will be using my Ethernet cable to do the configuration, and it's a straight through cable. So forget the design of my Ethernet cable, but I'm just going to be showing you how to do this. So I'm just going to get the end of my Ethernet and then put it in the slot, and then I'm just going to connect the other end to my router. So once I connect this end, you'll see the indicator on the router showing that the connection is successful from the Ethernet signal. So you can see here in the port 4, the light is blinking to show that there is a connection. So I'm just going to come at the bottom right hand corner of my PC, where you can see the desktop icon, Ethernet. I'm just going to click on it, and here you can see it's connected up there, but there's no internet. So to do the configuration, you need to use your browser, and I'll be using the Chrome browser to do this configuration. For this router, there's no administrative password or administrative account. So once you enter the IP address for the home page of this router, it will take you straight to the dashboard. So I already have it here. I'm just going to select this and open this link. So for some other routers, you will see that you have to enter the administrative password, the username, and the password to enter in the dashboard or the setup menu of that router. But for this, you don't need that. All you have to do is to enter the router homepage IP address. So you can configure it later by turning on the administrative password, so that only you will be able to manage this router later on in the future. And also I have a video on how to manage this router using your mobile phone. But you firstly have to turn on the Wi-Fi. So you come over here to the wireless, and then you can see the box empty. You're just going to click the check mark, and then you see you can change the name of your pass of your Wi-Fi, and also you can set a password if you want to. Once you're done with the configuration, you click save changes, and then you restart the router, and the router Wi-Fi will turn on. So you also see that from the indication on your router. And then from there you can connect to your router using your phone, and you'll be able to also manage your router. And have a video. I'll leave the link of that video in the description of this video. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So once you're done with your configuration, you can click on yes to restart your Wi-Fi so you can save changes. After restarting your Wi-Fi, you'll notice that the wireless light will turn on, and then you can connect your mobile phone and then be able to manage your router on your mobile phone. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. You can leave a comment if you have any comment on this video. Thank you.